appointment of a former Supreme Court judge as the governor of Andhra Pradesh. Now, the opposition is questioning the government over Justice Abdul Nazeer's appointment as Andhra governor, as it comes just 6 weeks after his retirement. Congress is alleging the move as a threat to the independence of judiciary. Congress MP Ram Mandir has commented on a tweet enclosing a video of a late Union Minister Arun Jaitley, where he had raised questions about link between pre-retirement judgments and post-retirement jobs. Ram Mandir tweeted over it, quote, and I quote him, that the adequate proof of this in last 3-4 years, unquote. Meanwhile, TMC MP Mahua Moitra also targeted centre over the mandatory cooling off a period for judges post-retirement. But the Law Minister, Kiran Rijiju, has hit back at the opposition, tweeting, and I quote him, "Opposition can't treat India as their fiefdom. India will be guided by the people of India as per provisions of the Constitution," unquote. My colleague Aishwarya is joining me live right now. Well, Aishwarya, the war of word has clearly ensued as far as the appointment of Justice Abdul Nazeer as the governor of Andhra Pradesh is concerned. While the opposition party is taking potshots at the government and questioning the rationale behind a 6 weeks appointment for another constitutional post for a retired judge, the law minister is very clear. He goes on to say that India is going to survive as provisions of the Constitution.
Well, that's right. A political storm has erupted after the appointment of Justice retired Nazeer as the governor of Andhra Pradesh. Clearly, the opposition party is attacking that this is a move of the government, that whosoever had favoured the BJP in the past, while doing their duties pre-retirement, the government gives them a credit post-retirement job as well, and therefore the reason perhaps now Justice Nazeer have been appointed as the governor. That's what the version of the opposition parties, including the TMC, Congress, and the other like-minded parties are concerned. But the Union Law Minister Kiran Rijiju has made it very clear that the rules are abiding to the Constitution of India, and they do not wanted and the opposition party should not teach them about what is the political freedom. In fact, the opposition parties went on to say that these are the political appointments made by the government as far as these newly appointed governors are concerned in different states and union territories. In fact, it is TMC Member of Parliament Mahua Moitra also tweeted and hit out at the government, saying that this is a post-retirement job that is fixed by the government even before when anyone has been served earlier in the past. Remember, this controversy has arrived after Justice Nazeer was appointed as the governor, because he had been the part of the panel of the Ayodhya verdict in 2019, and therefore the reason perhaps now many opposition parties have been attacking it. But the debate which has been ignited is of the cooling off period. The many opposition parties are demanding that there should be a debate and rule that should be applied after the retirement. There should be some sort of time that should be given to any person before appointing him or her as for any such constitutional position or the position that the government wanted to inscribe on them. But certainly there is no such rule in the Constitution, and therefore the reason perhaps the government is very clear on this, that whatever appointments they have made is as per the provisions of the Constitution of India, and there is nothing wrong in that.
Well, I appreciate you joining us with all those details, Aishwarya, but kindly stay with us as we're going to come back to you for more updates.